Welcome to part 2, homemade slime. So let's do this thing. My mom will help me again.
Take a quarter cup of cornstarch.
Put it in there. Oh! Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's not too messy.
I bet cornstarch is really messy.
It might proof a little bit. We're going to take that quarter cup. Slowly. Put it in the bowl. Slowly. Dude! Okay. Now we're going to take the same amount
Cornstarch is really messy, guys.
of water. Okay?
What?
Same amount of water.
Okay.
So how much is a...
Guys, only use cornstarch with your mom or dad because it's really messy.
Here's a quarter cup of water.
Quarter cup of water.
Slowly pour that in.
Is this from the sink?
Correct. Now you're going to mix it.
Ew, because I thought I was gonna eat it.
Start mixing, dude.
Yeah. Ew. Gross. So sticky and hard.
Here's what it looks like. We're still mixing.
How do you get the cornstarch off the spoon? How do you get it off the spoon? With another spoon.
So, do even parts cornstarch and water, but I think we might add a little bit more cornstarch. Go ahead and add your color.
Okay, 2. How many drops? 2. Yeah. Let's do it. Boop. Boop. Oh, one went on the side, sorry. Oh! Dang! Doesn't
So
really
the
look like it.
cornstarch is not solidifying like we would like, which reminds me of our last video.
Yep.
So we're gonna add a
Because our last video was an epic fail.
So I'm gonna add another tablespoon of cornstarch and see if that'll help make this a little bit more sticky. Okay.
Oh, why'd you do that? Oh, dang. Dang. I can't believe we didn't add enough.
It
Ew.
feels really weird.
It looks, oh,
Hey, that's a lot.
okay, sorry. Ew.
So we've done a quarter cup water, quarter cup cornstarch, and
It's not
it's
working.
still super duper.
Not sticking together. It just ends up like green water.
I'm gonna try 2 more tablespoons of cornstarch, and if that doesn't work, then this
It's
is
an epic fail
epic
again.
fail part 2. There's 1
Here's some of this.
and 2.
Maybe it's because of the food coloring.
It's so weird.
Oh, now that's
It's
enough.
getting kind of crunchy. According
Let
to
me try.
feel how hard it is to stir it.
Oh my god! I wish you
So
guys could feel
weird.
this. Oh, cornstarch is so okay. Whoa.
So that looks like slime, like what's falling off of the spoon, but the rest is so wet.
Ew! Oh, did you see that?
Look at this. It looks weird and wet,
At the top. It feels wet at the top, and then like.
but I'm going to take a chance and put some of this in my hand.
Oh.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm going to actually stick my hand in here.
Ready?
This is super
Ready for
weird.
me to do it? Bam. Oh! Oh, I can feel
It
the
feels
bottom.
weird, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, I will say.
What's this? Ew. It's it's dripping on my hand.
Yeah, just do this and drip it down because it feels really cool. But it is kind of a fail, and hopefully our hands don't stay purple till tomorrow. But I have a feeling it just might. So if you want to do this slime recipe,
do it with your mom or dad.
Definitely, and just do it because it feels cool. But aside from that, it's hard to get it off. We're going to try to wash it off right now.
Yeah, it's kind of a fail, but
it's a cool experiment.
Cool, yeah.
Fair warning, people.
Yeah.
Be careful. Do it with an adult. Don't use too much food dye. And that's it. Hopefully in the next video we'll see you without purple hands.
Yeah. Peace out.